What up, everybody? It's MK. Today, I want to show you my favorite Ableton vocal chain. First, I'm going to show you the beat I made, and then we'll go into the vocals. I started off with this complete control chord set. I was using chord mode, and we're in G minor, and it sounds like this. I used very ambient keys from Omnisphere. Next thing I put on top of that is a melody. And on the melody, I also added halftime to make it sound slower than it actually is. And it sounds like this together. Alright, after that I got into the drums. Play all these for you and let you see what it sounds like. Also with the... I'll take off the melody for now. And I'll just let the drums play. So... As you notice on the snap, I added a lot of reverb just to keep it the same with all the ambient sounds, very melodic, very dreamy. So all that together sounds like this. Added a shaker on the second part, and then after that I came in with my 808. Pretty simple 808 pattern, still in G minor. My first chord was the E, brought that down to D, back to E, and then G. Sounds like this. After that, that's pretty much the whole beat. I just have some breakdowns, took out the bass a little bit, right there. Also have this other breakdown into the chorus, and it's just the chords and the melody again. Alright, and then the last element that I added was this pretty much another form of the melody with halftime, but without halftime. So it's literally the same pattern. And all that together sounds like this. And that's pretty much the whole beat. Alright, now on to the vocals. Alright, my vocal chain starts like this. I put a gate and the threshold. So these are all actually Ableton stock plugins as well. So on the gate, I dropped it to -42 dB just to get rid of some of the outside noise, like I don't know, maybe a fan movement going on. or air conditioning or whatever else is like going on outside. Especially if your room isn't treated. My room's a little bit treated. Got some blankets over the windows, got some acoustic foam. Anyways, so I start with a gate. The next thing I do is add Auto-Tune Pro. On Auto-Tune, all you have to do is set the key. I put G minor because that's what key we're in. I usually like to hover around 6 at the retune speed, just so I don't sound too fake or too robotic. Also, when I'm recording, I like to add Auto-Tune. So I go up to this little dial up here, go to use low latency, just so you'll sound more in time when you use it. If you turn it off and you try to use Ableton while recording, there's gonna be a slight delay, and that's not good. It's gonna sound really weird. So anyways, let's get back to my vocals. Oh, the last thing I added was this lead vocal sauce. Lead vocal sauce is pretty much created by someone named Reed Stefan. He's actually a very popular Ableton YouTuber. He goes by the realest puppet in the game. But anyways, he literally has everything set up for you, all these parameters. So all you have to do is adjust them to your liking. I usually leave the bright at 24, low cut I leave alone, glue I leave alone, reverb sometimes I'll bring it down a bit. These are all echoes right here, half echo, 1/4 echo, 1/8 echo. Depending on the song or the vibe, I'll adjust those. For now I left them the same. And the slap, I usually bring down the slap a little bit because I found that I sound more robotic with it higher. So I'll bring that down a bit too. This is what his website looks like. Looks like he has a deal going on. I'm not in any affiliation with him. I'm just letting you guys know what I use, and I really like his product. So I use lead vocal sauce and also the background sauce. We'll get to that in a second. So let's see what the vocals sound like. Started from the beginning. Oh, it's MK. Last time that I had it, she say that she fell in love. Act like we don't know each other when we're in the club. Heard she got a new man, but I know he's not enough. I can call her up anytime and it's a dub. Tell me when you're coming through, where you wanna go, baby, we can rendezvous. Put that on my soul, girl, I'm telling you the truth. You can bring your friend, cause I think she's kinda cute. It's game day, how I pull up in a suit. I feel like I'm Curry, all I wanna do is shoot. Double cup love, all she wanna do is screw. On the top floor, while we looking at the moon. Last time that I had it, she say that she fell in love. Act like we don't know each other when we're in the club. Heard she got a new man, but I know he's not enough. I can call her up anytime and it's a dub. Last time that I had it, she say that she fell in love. Act like we don't know each other when we're in the club. Heard she got a new man, but I know he's not enough. I can call her up anytime and it's a dub. Alright, so that's pretty much my vocal chain for the leads. We'll get to the background vocal sauce as I was talking about. Same thing, gate. Left it a little higher this time. -39 instead of 42. Same with this. On my auto-tune, on the background vocals, I usually turn the retune speed all the way up because I just found that it sounds better to me. You can do whatever you like, but I noticed that on the background, since it's not so in your face or up front, it sounds better to me to have it all the way up. And then I have the background sauce. The only thing I really changed, same thing, all the parameters right here. The only thing I really changed is the sauce. It's usually at 60. I just turned it all the way up. I dropped the volume down a bit, and I also, for every other ad lib, I put it on different sides. So I put the top one more to the right of the spectrum, and the bottom one more to the left. So now it's like you can hear them go back and forth. So it's not just in the middle or to one side. So it's kind of balanced, in my opinion. So yeah, that's pretty much my vocal chain that I use pretty often. Hope you like this video. I'm not finished with the verse right now. Hope you like the song. Still needs a lot of work, but hope you guys learned something, and let me know in the comments how you feel about this. I could do more breakdowns of my songs and other things. So I'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.